So, hello to you all. Jim Savage here, Chief Executive from Aberdeenshire Council. Just wanted to get a quick message out to you at the moment. All of us, myself included, are spending a lot of time navigating the implications and reality of COVID-19. And I appreciate that many of us all have our own views and opinions about what's happening and how we're going about it as a country and as an organisation as well. So my message is really just to say thank you and to give some recognition and respect for the amount of graft and work that I know you're going to be involved in terms of supporting our service users and the communities more broadly as they try to make best sense in terms of the spread of the virus. Particularly where they are affected directly or in terms of their community, in terms of anybody who is having to deal with actually having the virus or going into isolation in some shape or form. Really aware that this is going to mean that as an organisation, as a health and social care partnership, as a council, as many public bodies, we're going to have to work differently and more flexibly in a number of ways. Some of us are going to be affected, as I've just said, around and about us, and that's going to mean that we're going to have some agility about how we deliver our services and chop and change in some ways at times as well. That agility is going to be needed to respond to the different needs and expectations of the community as well. So a bit of a double whammy. We'll be affected directly, and we've also maybe got a different programme of work that we need to try to do out and about there as well. So really for me, it is a plea and an ask for you to just bear in mind that flexibility and agility that we need to all have. I think that's the hallmark of what we do well as an authority, as a council, as in a partnership, is when push comes to shove, we just roll our sleeves up and get on with what we need to do. And that's what I'm asking of you now as well. Be sure and be assured that where you need to give some clear guidance or direction or instruction in terms of working in different ways professionally, we'll make sure you get that. And otherwise, all I can encourage you to do is to have that close collaboration across different agencies and really keep focused in terms of what we need to do to support people out and about there. Final thing really, look after yourselves and look after your colleagues as well. This is a time whereby we've got to remember the importance of us being a people organisation, the care and the love and the respect we need to show each other, and just have a watch out for people in terms of communities, service users and your colleagues to make sure we're all doing okay. To use the old phrase, it's a marathon, not a sprint here. As I understand it, COVID-19 and the impact is going to be around for some time yet. So let's just get ourselves set up well and ready to be able to navigate what's going to be in front of us for the next few months in overall terms. Any feedback, any thoughts, any ideas, suggestions, ask, whatever it is, just get in touch. Here to listen, here to help, and just see how we get on. Okay, thank you.